Have you ever paused to consider the intricate journey your favorite slippers take before they reach your feet? From raw materials to that final comforting embrace, there's a fascinating process behind every pair. Let's explore the meticulous steps inside a modern slipper-making factory. Every exceptional slipper begins as an idea, meticulously crafted into a design. Companies first determine the desired style, precise sizing, and the ideal materials for comfort and durability. Talented designers then translate these concepts into detailed sketches and advanced computer models, bringing the vision to life before any physical production begins. With the design finalized, the chosen materials are precisely prepared. Whether it's plush fabric, supple leather, or innovative synthetics, large automated machines accurately cut these materials into various components. This ensures every sole, strap, and upper section is perfectly sized and shaped, ready for the next stage of assembly. The sole forms the very foundation of any slipper, providing both support and cushioning. Factories utilize specialized materials like resilient foam, durable rubber, or lightweight EVA to construct a soft, yet robust base. These layers are carefully pressed and shaped using custom molds, guaranteeing that each sole offers optimal comfort and long-lasting wear. This is where all the individual components come together. Skilled artisans, often aided by specialized machinery, meticulously stitch the upper fabric to the prepared sole. This crucial step demands exceptional accuracy, ensuring the slipper not only boasts an appealing aesthetic, but also possesses the structural integrity to endure daily use. Once assembled, slippers undergo a series of essential finishing touches. Any loose threads are carefully trimmed away, and brand logos or care labels are securely attached. Sometimes, decorative elements like elegant bows, charming buttons, or unique patterns are added, enhancing the slipper's overall appeal and character. Finally, each completed pair of slippers undergoes a rigorous quality inspection. Only those that meet the highest standards are approved for the next stage. These perfect pairs are then carefully packaged and prepared for shipment, ready to be distributed to stores worldwide, bringing warmth and comfort to countless homes. And that is the remarkable story of how a simple idea transforms into the beloved slippers you wear at home, thoughtfully designed, expertly crafted, and built for ultimate comfort.